Hello, how's it going? Welcome to another video. So today I have something very short. Okay, I noticed that there was some posts going on whereby people didn't know this trick that you can do with an iPhone, so I wanted to show it to you on camera. If you're an Android user, don't worry, I'll bring some content in the near future, but this one only applies for iPhone users. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, if you didn't know, something that you can do with the iPhone keyboard is that if you are typing and you make a mistake, you can quickly move your cursor into that point without erasing the whole text that you typed. So I'm going to open Google Keep, and then let's say I'm typing something and I make a mistake, right? Let's have a pizza party tonight. So in normal cases, what you would do is you would probably touch that area and then you might want to correct it, but it might be a hassle and it would be time consuming. So let's say you're gonna type burger, right? Let's have a burger party. And then what you need to do for this trick to work is that you 3D touch your keyboard and then you move your finger around. So I'm going to do right that and then change the burger back to pizza. I'm 3D touch it and then see, you can move it around, move it wherever you want. Burger, and then erase that and retype it. So yeah, there you have it. That's it for now. If you have any other tips or tricks to share, drop it down below the like button in the comment section and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one. So let's get started.